only time will tell. In the meantime, let's focus our attention on the next choir. Clarendon, you must be so proud. The parish boasts 3 of the top 10. Singing I Am a Warrior. Give a round of applause for Edwin Allen.
Edwin Allen, that was quite nice. So, I know about you from track and field, right? But the choir thing look like it work well for now as well. Very nice.
Edwin Allen, you look like you're trying to give us a revival rendition, a performance, and I think you got it right. The dense harmony in that kind of singing was all there, and it was accurate. And even the part when you changed the song, and Miss Lady came and sang, I'm giving you a warning. It was a change of key. Everybody just shifted right over. Also, your moves and your spinning and all that kind of thing was just so accurate to what you wanted to do. This also is good because the choir is so full. So, nice performance, and I'm looking to see you in another round, maybe.
Christian warriors, you are a mighty army. I said it last week, and I'm going to say it again. Ed, W-I-N. Ed, W-I-N. Ed, W-I-N.
Did Ed W-I-N conquer that one? Well, show your approval. Call or text 444-8809.